What's going on YouTube? We're back again. We're at somewhere special today as well. Supercar Fest 2025 on the runway. If you don't know what the Supercar Festival is, they're going to have all sorts of cars there. Special cars from Lamborghini Huracans right the way up to Bugatti Veyrons, Bugatti Chirons, Aston Martin Valkyries, the whole shebang. Yeah, I think they even got one of the McTurries on there as well. So yeah, like I said, there's gonna be some very special cars, very special brands sending it down the strip. You're gonna hear some crazy noise, so bear with us. We're gonna get in there now. Before we go any further, please like, please subscribe, all of that. I won't bore you with all of that. Let's just go and see some crazy exotic supercars.
Shadow on the beat.
Look at this, yeah. Koenigsegg. Absolutely madness, yeah. To see one of these is like, it's so rare. Agera. Madness. I think these are about 1600 brake, 1500 brake horsepower. Crazy car. Madness, man. 2-3 million. This is probably worth a car here. Got some mad lineup down there. I don't even know what's down there, but we're gonna have a look now and have a look properly. But crazy car. Just car number 1, by the way. Another crazy car. This is made by the guy who made the McLaren F1 T5s. Mental. Murcielago, probably my favorite V12 Lamborghini SV as well. And we've got this crazy car, but look to the left. Lexus LFA. Don't see these. These are in the millions now as well in today's market. V10, one of the best sounding cars you can hear. McLaren P1, one of the Holy Three Trinity, as they call it. Next to it as well, look what we're talking here. Veyron, the original record-breaking miles per hour car in the world at the time. Took over the McLaren F1, 258, I believe, something like that, miles per hour. Crazy. Next little P1 part next to it, and we got McLaren Senna there. Mad. I have to come back down this road in a minute as well because I need to get photos of it. Ferrari Enzo. Jeez, what a lineup! What a lineup! Never Koenigsegg as well. Show you it right now to my left. Orange Koenigsegg. Pagani, Carrera. Fully carbon. Veyron Super Sport here. This is the one that was the faster one from the Veyron line, and yeah, crazy car. You don't see many of these. Look at this as well. To my left, you're about to see something even more mad. Full on chrome Bugatti Veyron there. Jeez. Ferrari. I'm sure that's a Daytona or something.
No helmet, just flies. Make sure you open your mouth really wide. Look at all those flies in there. Enjoy. Very, very happy passenger. Dan, it looks absolutely stunning. Quickly tell us about your RWB.
Well, it got built in April last year,
and he drives it as he should drive it. Here comes the RML P39 prototype. Make its way once again. Turbo S underneath, now putting out full 900 power. Laying it down. Porsche GT4 RS with aero. What a launch on the GT4 RS. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. That for me is
GT4
GT range of Porsches. So well balanced in the mid-end. Decent engine layout. Heavy so many people gone for a toilet break. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. They're making their way back. And more fun, more smiles, more wind through the air, through the hair. More wind through the hair. Absolutely great. Let's see if we can get hold of a few more. Skies are clear. That runway run. Listen to that scream off that runway straight.
twin turbo Lambo. This car's crazy.
That twin turbo launch has now become my first favourite of the day. Favourite launch is the twin turbo Huracan. For 5 days, we're doing a tour of the Isle of Man. We've got a track day, we've got a special visit, we've got a car coffee, we've got a Supercar Sunday. You're from of June. It's so good to see the Superbike back again, entertaining us. The Stig in the driving seat with the wonderfully beautiful Jodie in the passenger seat. Look at the styling on this. It's so fast, it's so furious. Look at you in the SVJ. 3 hours SVJ, there goes the progress, but he knows where he's going now. He's going to... Finished the weekend, yesterday at Melbourne, and now today at Supercar Fest, doing the runway over and over again. Pretty much another 10. First customer car in August, that's going to be sensational. How many are you building?
39. Super limited, 39 cars.
Veyron, Pagani Huayra Roadster. Let me see what's behind that one. Right, shall we get some crowd noise going? Who's excited for the Hypercar Showdown? I can't hear you over the Bugatti W16. Who's excited for the Hypercar Showdown? It's driving upside down. It is right now. It's upside down. I saw it on social media. It's got to be true. There we have the AMG Project 1. Unbelievable. Bugatti Divo. Another Ferrari Enzo. SP3. Bugatti. Wow. I can't believe it, it's upside down. That's amazing. And all of you here today are here to see the famous McMurtry fan car. When it hits 130 on the runway, it will flip upside down and finish the rest of the run upside down. The LFA V10 triple piped Sonnet, definitely a Sonnet, ready to roll down the runway here at Cyber. And when they come back, we'll send them again. And then when they come back, we might send them again, and again, and again, and again, until the first one runs out of fuel.
Yeah, so far it's been sick. Some amazing cars on display, like cars that you don't ever see on the road. Like I said, you see your Lamborghini Huracans, you see your McLarens, but seeing like the Matera, whatever it's called, and then also seeing cars like the Bugatti Diva, sensational car, McLaren Sennas, yeah, Enzos, Veyrons, like, yeah, some mad cars, Koenigsegg, like the list goes on, like, you know what I mean? So it's been a good day, you know, obviously skies are kind of grey, but it's not too cold. But yeah, we're gonna get back into some more of the hypercar stuff as well. Just gonna go and grab some food. But what an event, Supercar Fest 2025. Wicked event.
To go again, ladies and gents. Ben Collins and Jody Kidd in the Praga Behemoth. Let's get the Mercury into position here. Let's get the camera up close and personal. Electric hypercar. Fastest car up the Goodwood Hill. Fastest car ever at Supercar Fest. You ready? Show them what happens at the back. The flaps are opening. It's laying it down. Look at that on the big screen. It's the only car giving us that plume of smoke behind it, that dust. Wow. Behind you, over there, check it out as it goes up there. The SP3 Daytona chasing it down. It will never catch it, it can dream. It's a real Michael Schumacher Ferrari. Here we go with the Enzo. McLaren T1, they've all had their little taster run. Now they're going to lay it down and go absolutely wild. There goes Shane, a good friend of ours, in the T1. Here comes the Rimac Nevera Time Attack and the Bugatti Veyron. Off it goes again. CCR chasing down the Rimac Nevera, and we have the Carrera GT again, and here is the AMG Project 1 on the start line. What a Look at that go. It's the Formula 1 car on the road. Absolutely stunning. Here goes the fan car by T50. Love that sound. We heard one at Millbrook testing. It was absolutely amazing. There goes the Pagani Huayra Roadster, and that car is making a dream come true shortly this afternoon for a young man who asked me for a ride. A young man who is in a motorised wheelchair and is getting a ride in the Pagani today. We've made that dream come true. McLaren Senna, big wing, nearly as big as the wing on the P39, making its way down. I thought a car the McLaren Senna is, if I tell you that at £700,000, that is a huge investment, because that is the next £1 million car, the McLaren Senna. Definitely, not maybe, definitely the next £1 million car. Here comes the LFA again, a very beautiful sounding V10 Lexus, but it's definitely a hypercar, the LFA. Much loved by all of London's spotters, and there it goes. Okay, let's see if we get Ferrari Enzo. There it goes. It's no longer an MR2, it is a real Enzo launching like Enzos do.
Yeah, so it has come to the end of the video. Very sick day out. But, I mean, look at the cars you can see behind me there. Crazy lineup of cars, yeah. We've got 2% left on the battery, yeah. Remember to smash the subscribe button, yeah. Remember to like. Crazy cars, crazy launches. 2025 Supercar Fest. Load of vibes.